black.
Oh. Whoa, now.
I'm nervous now.
Oh,
How awesome does my box look with just one side painted black? I'm flirting with the camera.
excuse me, this is my black paint. I didn't want paint right there.
So, well, FYI, that blue spray paint comes off.
What comes off?
That blue spray paint
Comes off of what?
the board and onto my shirt. I'm sorry.
I'm painting.
Get the camera up on my face. How often is my box? Just one side painted black and the other side being blue.
Oh. What you doing? I'm painting. I'm in a shop and I'm painting. Yeah. Silly goose. Gotta get laughing there. Watch his action. Oh. I'm an excellent painter. Set my brushes over hard because I didn't want to.
You still have to wash it.
I didn't know.
Just. Painting helps because it gets the party going. Excuse me.
And I don't have any onions. That's the only thing I didn't have at home was onions. But I don't think the lunchroom crew has onions either.
This is what we would call